Guys, yeah, we are going to African market. Okay, I'm just coming out from my bank. All right, so I'm going to the I'm going to the market to buy one or two things for my baby birthday preparation. Okay, we are getting ready, small. So let us go together. And yeah, my sister is here, Lucy. She's here. Okay, yeah, we are going there together. You gotta go. Talk to you guys or see you guys when I get to the market. Guys, we're in the market right now. You guys are already familiar with this market, so let me just buy what I want to buy. Yeah, Lulu is not familiar with it. So I will talk to you. The bread, I get bread. You know, the yam. I ain't gonna go down. We are in the market right now. Okay, I will talk to you guys or when I get home. I will buy them too. 10 years. I could just buy two. How they going? Buy now. An original. You guys see this thing? See ogiri.
See ogiri, the local ogiri.
You know?
Yeah, the
1 cent leaf.
Come 100.
You guys which one? Here is bread. I come.
No, my ear.
So guys, we are still buying. Lulu is there.
I'm tired.
Okay?
Don't you carry me go where I don't know. I'm tired. But rest.
So I'm here to warm my baby food. Okay, I want to give her food. Okay. So I'm warming her food. After I give her food, then we'll continue. Okay. See all my hair. She's done the hungry. I will give you food now. Okay. This your teeth grow.
If there is a phone,
so guys, I'm giving baby food though. We'll continue later.
When I got over here, where you go to you now?
I'm going to say about Zion. There's go around here. We all get you.
Oh, you go to go more you gonna put in now.
Yeah, when I tell you,
let me see the yam that you have now.
Give 180 there. First reduction.
What's it?
100 and waiting.
80.
81. Are you 180? Because are you 195?
You choke. You shock me.
He said they want to come here price there.
Oh, they were already seen.
Next day.
Oh God. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay. Yeah, yesterday we went to market and it was a very stressful one for us. Okay. So today, I was not even able to show you guys what I bought yesterday. It was so stressful for me and my sister and Oma. No be small thing, eh? Oh God. So in fact, all the things I bought, I've even packed them. I didn't buy much. I just bought meat and the banku. And what else did I even buy? So now I want to prepare vegetable soup and you don't land that bit. I've not cleaned your mouth, though. You just finished it here. Let me clean my baby mouth. I'm going to be cutting it. Okay, I'm going to be cooking this vegetable. These are the meats I will use for the vegetable. Okay, I soaked these beans yesterday. We bought it from market yesterday. That potato, I bought it for my baby. That is the banko over there. And the meat we bought is inside the fridge. Can you guys see? That is the meat we bought yesterday. Okay. So let me get started before night go come. So let's do this together. You gotta go. You want me to cook potato for you? It's already potato. Eh, madam? Go and keep it. Go and keep it. Thank you. Daniel, I will cook it for you, but you will eat okra today.
roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
And there's this thing I want to, guys, I don't know, my baby these days, and after giving her, you know, all this pure food that I usually give her, it's as if the thing doesn't hold her stomach again. Like, I don't know, mommy, all the mothers in the house, I beg, oh, you know, I'm a first time mom, not be everything wise, I be like, I still give her, you know, puree and all of that. By next month she will be 1 year, and I just noticed that after giving her that food, she will still be crying. Then if I give her, like, maybe there was this day she was just crying, I finished feeding her, she was just crying, and it's not like her. So I just made a noodle and egg for her, just you know, normal the way they do it for children, you know. So I did it for her, and she ate it. After she ate it, you know, she didn't disturb me again, you know, she was playing. So I noticed that maybe her system now, as in the puree, is no longer, you know, sustaining her like before. So I say, make I tell her now, as a first time mom now, like, what kind of food do you advise me to start giving her now? Though I will not stop giving her the puree. So just please share with me on the comment section. You can give me food idea for my baby. Okay, please give me food idea. I'll be right. But I think I should stop blending all these things and be making it like normal solid food. You know, you get, right? I want to cut the vegetables now. I'm not going to be blanching this vegetable like the other vegetable soup I cook. I just need the water from I need the water from the vegetable. So I'm not going to be blanching it. Alright? The meat are still boiling. So I'll talk to you guys probably when the soup is almost ready.
It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? It got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out?
Guys, anytime my husband come back from work, this girl will be behaving as if she'll be behaving as if I've been beating her since. So you know these children, when you leave them with help, immediately they see their mama, they go talk. Even though the help no beat them, they go begin to report the help. You see this girl, anytime my husband just come back from work, this girl will just be doing as if I'm not insisting, like I not be the person. You are with the smile, one. No, you get that, Diaby. It's okay. So I'm still cooking. I'll talk to you guys later. I want to make oats. After cooking, I want to give all my oats and okra soup. That is what I'm going to give her. So that one might be different. Okay, talk to you guys later. What are you checking? Oga. It's you they check.
Mamoke fumunye ya nanya, mwanya lubelu digisi, imani imotwa, love gagabaniru. Imotwa, love gagabaniru. Imani imotwa, ifenile ya dema. Mamoke fumunye ya nanya, mwanya chiedieze.
Space vegetable now. I'm going to cover it for some minutes. All right, the okra is done. All right, I'll show you guys when I'm finished. So guys, I'm done cooking. Okay, here is the soup. All right, I'm done cooking. This is the okra. All right, and here is the vegetable soup. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. I have to end this vlog here now, okay, because it's very long now. Okay, if today is your first time, please subscribe, be a part of this family. Makaniga like and to all my returning subscribers, my lovable people, thank you guys so much for always stopping by, for all your amazing and wonderful support. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.